Today I am going to explain an amazing technique how to find the square of any two digits number within 2 seconds. By using this technique you can get the correct answer very easily. After watching this video you will agree with me. If it is so, please leave a comment and share this video with your friends. Now I will explain this technique by using this example. Here we want to find the square of 23. Then this is the method. As the first step, you need to get the square of these two digits separately. Square of 2 is equal 4. Square of 3 is equal 9. But there is a one condition. When we write the square of second number, there should be two digits as the answer. Then here square of 3 is equal 9. Then if there is only one digit, we need to put 0 in front of that value. Then after that, as the second step, you need to get the product of these two digits. After that, you need to multiply this value by 2. This 2 is a constant value for this technique. It's a constant value. Always you have to multiply that. Multiply the given digits by 2. Then here 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12. After getting this value, you need to multiply 12 by 10. It's very easy. Always you need to put only one 0 to the right side of the answer. If we multiply this value by 10, what's the answer? What's the answer here? 120. Just put 0 to the right side of the answer. Then you can add these two numbers together. Then this is the square of 23. This is the answer. Then I will explain another example. Square of 39. Then what's the first step? We need to get the square of these two digits separately. Square of 3, 9. Square of 9, 81. Two digits. Then no need to put 0 in front of that value. Then here 981. Then what's the second step? We need to get the product of this two digit. 3 into 9. Then after that we want to multiply this value by that constant value 2. 3 into 9, 27 into 2, 54. After that you need to multiply this value by 10. It's also a constant value for this technique. Always you have to multiply this product of the given number, this product of the given digits by 2 as well as 10. Then here multiply by 10. This is the answer. Then after that you can add these two numbers together. This is the square of 39. This is the third example. We want to find the square of 42. Then what's the first step? You need to get the square of these two digits separately. This is the first digit. Square of 4, 16. Square of 2, it's 4. Then there is only one digit. Then if there is only one digit, we need to put 0 in front of that value. Then here should be 0. Then after that get the product of these two digits. Then we need to multiply this product by constant value. It means 2. Then what's the answer? 16. Then after that you need to multiply this 16 by 10. These two numbers are constant value for this technique. Always you need to multiply product by 2. Then you can get the answer. Then this value should be again we need to multiply by 10. Two numbers are constant values for this method. Then what's the answer here? 160. Then just add these two numbers together. This is the answer for the square of 42. This is the fourth example. I think now you are familiar with this method. What's the first step? You need to get the square of these two digits separately. This is the first digit. It's 1. This is the second digit. What's the square of this number? It's 64. After that, you need to get the product of these two digits. Then multiply it by 2. Then here you can get the answer as 16. Then again you need to multiply this value by 10. It's very easy, isn't it? Now I think you have clear understanding regarding this method. Please try to practice this method. Then you can get the correct answer within 2 seconds. Here this is the bonus tip. Square of two-digit number with 5 at unit place. If you observe these three numbers properly, here I have written 5 in units place. It means ones place. All these numbers have 5 as the units place. If there is this type of number, you can get the answer within less than 1 second. This is the method. Here square of 35. Just get the square of 5. It's 25. We want to multiply these 3 with the next number. What is the next number? After 3, it's 4. Then 4 into 3, 12. This is the answer. Now I will explain the second one. Here square of 45. Here 4. What is the next number? It's 5. 5 into 4, 20. Then after that get the square of 5. 25. Isn't it amazing? Here this is the third example. We want to find the square of 65. This is the first digit. Then we want to multiply 6 by 7. 7 into 6, 42. Square of 5 is equal 25. I think you have clear understanding regarding this technique. In this technique, no need to use much more calculations. Within less time, you can get the correct answer.